Okay, my name is Farhan. I'm going to talk about uh, l- uh, discourse and society. The first subbab is the language as social and local practice. So actually, language and uh, the social category is relate each other. The choice of a language that we can choose is can be depend on the environment or the people who we talking to, uh, like maybe when we talk informally in front of our friends, or when we talk politely to our uh, parents, and how we talk to our family and talk in front of uh, maybe like uh, in office or in work office. It's really different. uh, that's why language is have many variety, and also like the social context of interaction is also the concern of the language choice, and then the topic and the goal of interaction. And then when we talk about the next is about the language and gender, discourse and gender. uh, uh, in uh, in discourse and gender actually is look at the relationship between the language, uh, or the use of language and the uh, uh, sex gender. So when we look at the gender, it's actually uh, how the relation. When we look at the discourse and gender, it's actually uh, we look at the ways of using language, and the relation to mm, the gender. For example, when we born as a male, uh, we're gonna talk like a man and behave like a man, and then walking like a man. So actually, gender is not just a natural phenomenon, but also it's the way uh, we live. Uh, if we born as a man, we live as a man, and if we born as a female, as a woman, we live as a woman. And then about this discourse and identity. So discourse and identity, actually, we have each of us have many different identity, and that's really uh, influence the use of our language. Uh, we can we have the choice of the use of language depends on uh, where we at, and then where we talking to. For example, we have maybe like me, I have identity like uh, as a student in the campus. So I told as a student to my lecturer, or maybe to when I meet with my friend, I told uh, uh, as a usual teenage. And then when in my home, uh, I I told as a child, and that's the really distinguish the use of language. And then the discourse and the ideologies. So the ideologies actually usually ideologies is hidden uh, in a text. It's not uh, frankly state that so actually ideologies is how we uh, how we uh, when we analyze ideologies, it's actually how we analyze the text that have a hidden meaning by look at the textual features, or maybe look at the speakers and reader background, or maybe like relate this text to the other text, then we can find the meaning of the speaker's speech. Yeah, that's all from me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.